Next, we will bring in a text file. This text file is a CSV file. What does that stand for? Comma separated values. I actually have brought this in from Learning Suite, and this is the way it presents it, which then we use in a spreadsheet to analyze the grades, drop the lowest values, and weight them accordingly. So let's do that with a sample CSV file. Data, get external data, this time from text, and you'll notice in my downloads, wherever you downloaded it, I have this student grades. I'll say import. Now notice when it goes to import it, it wants to use the text to columns format. That's just what you've been using, and this is a nice way to put it into a spreadsheet. And we said it's delimited by commas, so delimited is a great way to go. And I'll put next. And the tab doesn't matter, there's no tab in it, wouldn't hurt, but we want to use commas. And you'll see that it looks like it's the way we want it, which it is, so I'll say finish. And yeah, that's a good place to put it, in about there. Okay, we now have our file imported from Learning Suite. But as I look at it, I notice there's several blanks in here. And remember when we did debugging that blanks can be problematic, especially if I want to drop the lowest grade. I need a 0 in those spots. So let's do that together. We could find out where those spots are by using conditional formatting. That may be ideal. But let's do something else instead. It's more similar to what we did in our debugging. First, I'll do a Control A to select everything in the table. Then I'm going to Home, Editing, Find and Select, go to Special, and we're going to find all the blanks. Now we did this in debugging, and I'll say OK, and you can see where all those blanks are. But do you remember what happened when we put in a 0 and hit enter? Then all the rest of the blanks disappeared. And besides, we've got lots of blanks. We'd like a little bit speedier way of changing things around. Whenever you've got a number of cells selected and you want to enter the same value or the same formula into it, we'll just put it as though it's in this first one that's highlighted here. In this case, a 0. And I'm not going to hit enter. I'm not going to hit Control Shift Enter. I'm hitting Control Enter. And you'll notice now every one of these shaded cells that we've selected had that 0 in it. It automatically copied that formula or value to all of those cells. And now we've taken care of that blank problem in our spreadsheet. It's now ready for us to start doing the analysis that we need to do in order to determine their grades.